Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add your own skin in Minecraft. But just to say, this is not working if you don't buy the premium account. If you're using the cracked Minecraft game, it will working. So yeah, let's start. Let's show you how to add your own skin in Minecraft. So first, open your browser, Chrome, like this, and search for Nova Skin. There's a site. This is actually a site where you can create your own skins. Wait, not here. The first link, click, and yeah, from here you can create your own skin like this. Let's make some like this. Yeah, and actually you can put something on your skin like this one. Your helmet, you can put zombie head, you can put, I don't know what is that, but let's say that, and let's make it like that. And yeah, just for example, just to show you. And then if you want to use this skin, just click here on save. Now you can give a name, blah blah blah, I'm noob, like this. Save it. Now wait a few seconds. Now click on download, and now as you can see it's here on your PC. But how to put it here on your Minecraft skin? Just click here on skins and click on new skin. Now name it how you want it. Just let's say I'm noob, like this. And you can actually make it a classic one, or the slim, I mean the Alex or the Steve. And from here, from this button here, browse, you can browse it, the skin that you just made. Here is, just open it, click on it, open it, and now save and use. Click on save and use, and as you can see, now we are with this skin. We are using this skin, and let me show you it's working. Let's play. Let me show you. Wait a few seconds. There's loading. Now let's play in Hypixel, and as you can see, I am with this skin, and as I said, it's working. And it's not some virus or some hack, don't worry about it. And it's working only if you have a premium account. This is the easiest way how to create your own skin, how to put it in your premium account. And if I have taught, make sure to give it a like. And also, if you have some problems, if you have some questions, comment down below the video in the comments, and I will try to respond in a few days. And see you next video. Bye.